Hi, this is Ryan Nager with the Ryan Nager Group, and here is your Midsummer market report. All right, so new listings activated in June were down 10% compared to last June, and overall supply has dropped 9.5% in 4 weeks, putting it below last year's count for the first time all year and leaving us with just a 2-month supply of inventory. So meaning if no new listings were to come onto the market, we would essentially run out of houses to sell, in 2 months. While buyers have gotten used to very little supply under 200,000, now they're starting to feel it hard between 200 to 250,000, where new listings were down at whopping 15.1%. So just some numbers for you guys. Active listings, right now we're at 15,400 compared to 16,100 last year. So down almost 4.5% and down 8.5% from 16,900 last month. Our monthly sales were at 9,400 versus 9,200 last year, which is up 2.5%, but down 10% from last month, which May was a record month, the most units we've ever sold since 2006. Our monthly median sales price has reached a new high at $279,000, and our annual median sales price is also at a record new high at $268,000. So even though these are highs, our average price per square foot is nowhere near the record because the homes being sold today are much larger than those being sold at the last peak. With our monthly price per square foot record was $190 at the peak in 2006. Today we're just at $172 a price per square foot. So we expect the market in Phoenix for buyers to remain extremely competitive throughout the year. Interest rates are still near historical lows, with a hint from the Federal Reserve to make another rate cut in the near future. With all the people moving into the area, albeit relocating due to their companies coming into the valley, or, they're tired of the coastal living, there is and will remain to be a real shortage of quality available inventory. But good news, historically we see, the next couple months, July, August, September, to be some of the best times for our buyers because a lot of the competition, is gone. It's summer, it's hot, not a lot of people are out there looking. So, if you are willing to brave the heat, you can find some really good opportunities in the next couple months. All right, for our sellers out there, continued good news. Listings in escrow are up 7.5% and have soared nearly 20% over the last year between 250,000 and 600,000. Homeowners with property valued under 250,000 have been inundated with offers from investors as flip sales have rebounded strongly over the past few months. With the limited amount of inventory right now, sellers are still firmly in control of the market, and have seen their home values at levels high as or higher than the peak. But what this doesn't mean though is buyers are willing to overspend on a home just because you're the only one on the market. Buyers today are savvy, and instead of overpaying, more and more are either opting to rent or wait until something priced more appropriately comes their way. In order to get peak pricing, your home needs to have all the things today's buyers are looking for. An open, updated kitchen, a neutral color palette, renovated bathrooms, and a functional outdoor space. We expect home prices to continue to grow in Phoenix, but not as the same levels as we've seen in the previous years. As always, if you have any question about what your home is worth right now or what the process, would look like, please feel free to reach out to me. I've got my contact information at the end of here. Thank you again for tuning in.